ridiculous. You are getting ridiculous now, okay?
Lillian.
Like, Mommy's gonna show you. Look, you can make a heart. Look, you can make a circle. That's a circle. Here, let's do it together. Let's do it together, okay? There's a happy face.
She's not even looking at the paper.
Lillian, look. She loves commercials. Look. Okay then, you know what? Then no, you don't have to. No, you're not gonna get your way. No, give it to me. No more. No more.
Oh man.
You're okay, okay? You're okay. You're okay. That's okay.
Liliana. Lillian, you're on candid camera.
Oh my god.
She's our little monster. Grandma and Grandpa back home, this is what you're missing.
You guys want her? You guys can have her. I will instant send her.
FedEx.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh my God, Tourette's.